What if I told you Casio quietly released one of the most featured packed outdoor watches under $50? And almost nobody is talking about it. This is the Casio WS1300H, a watch with a 10-year battery, 100 meters of water resistance, moon phase tracking, tide graph functionality, dual time, timers, alarms, stopwatch features, and one of the most interesting displays you'll find at this price point. But here's the crazy part. Most of the people buying this watch probably don't truly understand what the tide graph and moon phase actually do. So today we're going to unbox it, go through all the features, talk about the build quality, explain exactly how the tide and moon graph work, how to program them correctly, and by the end of this video, you'll know whether the WS1300H is just another budget digital Casio or one of the biggest hidden gems in the entire lineup. Welcome back to the channel Watch Your Budget, where we unbox and review affordable watches that pack a ton of value. All right, let's open this thing up. And right away, the WS1300H has more presence than I expected. The first thing I noticed after taking it out of the box is that this watch feels big. Not heavy, but visually large. The display is wide, the buttons are oversized, the case shape almost has this mini G-Shock energy to it. And I think Casio designed it that way intentionally, because this doesn't feel like a minimalist everyday digital. This feels like an outdoor equipment watch. The WS1300H immediately stands out because of how functional the design feels. This watch looks like it was designed for fishing trips, kayaking, beach days, camping, and outdoor travel. The layout is busy, but purposely busy. You've got the tide graph, moon phase display, digital time, day date information, and function indicators, all packed into one screen. Now, size-wise, the WS1300H comes in at approximately 51.3 millimeters wide, 51.1 millimeters lug to lug, and about 14.8 millimeters thick. Weight comes in around 49 grams. The case is resin, the bezel is resin, the strap is resin, and the crystal is also resin. Now, yes, the resin crystal scratches easier than the mineral or sapphire crystal, but on a lightweight outdoor watch like this, it makes sense. Now, feature-wise, this thing is loaded. First, you get the 100 meters of water resistance. That means swimming, fishing, kayaking, beach use, pool days, rain, snorkeling, all completely fine. Then there's the battery life. Casio claims approximately 10 years on the CR 2025 battery. No charging cables, no notifications, no battery anxiety. Just put it on and go. And this is the part most reviews barely explain. So let's really break this down. The tide graph estimates tidal movement throughout the day based on your program location and the lunar cycle. The graph visually shows whether tides are moving higher or lower throughout the day. Fishing conditions change, boat access changes, sandbars appear and disappear, dock levels shift, surf conditions change, kayaking conditions change. Now here's something most people don't realize. For the tide graph to work properly, you need to program your location settings correctly. That's because this watch uses something called a lunatidal interval. Basically, it calculates the delay between the moon passing overhead and the high tide occurring in your specific location. Now let's talk about the moon phase display. Moon phase affects fishing activity, tides, animal behavior, night visibility, and camping conditions. The WS1300H visually displays the current moon phase directly on the screen, and it gives the watch a really cool outdoorsy personality. Now, this watch is not perfect. The display visibility could definitely be better from certain angles. And the LED backlight? Well, it works, but it's definitely not modern G-Shock level illumination. Another thing, this watch is big. So if you have smaller wrists, this could absolutely wear oversized. Consumer sentiment around the WS1300H is actually really interesting. A lot of people see this watch as a hidden gem, especially outdoors people, especially fishermen, especially people who want G-Shock vibes without spending G-Shock money. This watch feels practical, reliable, low maintenance. This might genuinely be one of the best budget vacation watches Casio makes. The more time I spend with the WS1300H, the more I understand why people love these weird featured pack Casios. Because this watch feels honest. It's not pretending to be luxury. It's not pretending to be smart technology. It's just trying to be useful. And you're getting a 10-year battery, 100 meters of water resistance, moon phase tracking, tide graph data, timers, alarms, stopwatch functions, dual time, lightweight comfort, and excellent outdoor usability. So tell me what you think. Is the tide and moon graph something you actually find useful? Or is it just a really cool feature to look at? Let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. It really helps support small channels like this and helps the video reach more people. And if you enjoy honest reviews on budget watches, consider subscribing and turning on notifications because I release a brand new video every single week. And until the next time, I look forward to seeing you around the corner.